Namaste. Let us understand more about Navaratri today. Navaratri is a 10-day festival. Navaratri means 9 nights. The 10th day is called Vijayadashmi, means victory on the 10th day. We worship different forms of Shaktis on these 9 days. Day 1 to day 3, we worship 3 different forms of Ma Durga. Day 4 to day 6, we worship 3 different forms of Ma Lakshmi. Day 7 to day 9, we worship 3 different forms of Ma Saraswati. The 9th day, we celebrate Saraswati Puja or Ayudha Puja. On that day, whatever the job we are doing related to that objects, books, musical instruments, toolbox, cash box, all these are placed in the lotus feet of Ma Saraswati, do puja and get her blessings. On the 10th day, we celebrate Vijayadashmi. We start new things like joining new classes, enroll children into the school, open new account. Toddlers are taught to read and write. Vijayadashmi is celebrated in different parts of India in different ways. In the eastern part, that is West Bengal and Assam, it marks the end of Durga Puja. This festival signifies Ma Durga's victory over demon Mahishasura. In this region, pandals or stages are set up for Ma Durga and celebrated very elaborately. On the last day, that is on the Vijayadashmi day, Ma Durga statue, Lakshmi, Saraswati are carried in a big procession to the river and ocean and immersed in the holy water. This ritual is called Visarjan or immersion. In the northern, central and western part of India, this festival is called Dashara or Dasara. This festival signifies Lord Rama's victory over Ravan, the finale of Ram Leela. Last day of Dashara, towering effigies of Ravan are burnt with fireworks, symbolizes triumph of good over evil. In both festivals, we celebrate with music and dance called Dandiya. A lot of people participate in this dance. In South India, we celebrate Navaratri in a very unique way. We follow the tradition of keeping Golu. Golu is a display of dolls in a step arrangement. Usually, we keep odd number of steps, which starts from 3, which can go up to 15. We place dolls made of clay or paper mache. Each step in the Golu has a greater spiritual significance. This is a metaphor of ascending towards enlightenment. The lower step starts with animals and plants, the next one humans, displaying wedding, shops, daily day activities. The middle steps will have sages, scholars, leaders, avatara purushas, and the next one, different forms of or avatars of god and goddesses. On the top, the main deities like Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati, Trimurti, Ganesha and Kartikeya are placed. We do puja and arati to the deities in the Golu every day. We invite friends and relatives to see our Golu and give them haldi kumkum. During Navaratri, we celebrate womanhood. Girls aged under 12 are worshipped as Bala Tripura Sundari and we do Kanya Puja. In North, they do it as Kumari Puja. Elderly ladies and married women are worshipped as Suhasnis, that is the different form of Shaktis, and give them Tambulam. During this festival, we exchange wishes, give gifts and distribute prasad. Singing, dancing and some form of music are showcased during this period. Children are encouraged to participate in dancing and singing and also storytelling about God and goddesses dressed in different costumes to bring out the characters in the story. This way we celebrate arts and develop the creativity in the children. Finally, Navaratri helps us to practice spirituality. During these 9 days, we do sadhana, practicing, fasting, meditation, singing divine songs, chanting slokas, and observing silence. This enhances our spirituality and helps us to overcome negativeness and invoke divine energy within us. It helps us to destroy tamas and rajagunas and bring out more sattva gunas. Our mind become calm, pure, and with more peace and clarity. With this mindset, on the Vijayadashami day, whatever we start will be a successful one. During this festival, we not only pray for ourselves but for the society at large. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Happy Navratri, Jai Mata.